Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Bubbly Belle. It looks like they have sent me all the gummy bear bath bombs and they've sent 2 of each. So I will do individual demos of all of these and then I will do some bath art and put like a couple in the tub at the same time. So all of these have jewelry inside. And this first one is called Red Bubbly Bear and the fragrant note is jasmine, fruity jasmine. That one smells pretty good. Then we have the blue one, Blue Bubbly Bear. This one also has fruity jasmine. Maybe they all have the same fragrant notes, I'm not quite sure. But these are adorable. Next we have the yellow one. Yep, looks like so far they're all jasmine. Box smells wonderful. And they're pretty big bath bombs. They're the size of my hand there. Next, we have 2 of the orange Bubbly Bears. I'll keep checking all of them. I'll let you know if any of the fragrances are different. This one's cute. Raylan's probably gonna love this one. Her favorite color is purple, and this is a lavender Bubbly Bear. White Bubbly Bear. I still have, oh look, there's a hidden color in there. I still have some of the Valentine's Day bath bombs. I did just record those, so I will have to get those posted within the next week or so. A little behind on those. The green Bubbly Bear. And the last one is the pink ones. How cute is that? So excited to try these. Let me know what you think I should do with the duplicates. Should I do 2 of them at a time, 3 of them at a time? I don't know that I could put all of them in at once because that would be a lot of bath bombs, but that also might be really fun. Their bath bombs don't ever stay in my tub or anything, so it would be safe to do. But that is my collection. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned if you want to see what kind of jewelry is in these bath bombs. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.